Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's analysis, which is regarding none other than Solana. This one is a very exciting one. So if you are a holder, you do want to watch this till the absolute end. So if we're looking at the price of Solana as of July the 11th, you can see the price of Solana is currently sitting at $22.13. And we're up about 4% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 3% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Let's focus on its market cap on the other hand, which is currently sitting at almost $9 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $451 million. So, the sentiment around the entire crypto market, especially for Solana, is starting to shift. It's starting to give me, that vibe that you get in a bull market. And not only that, if you are in the crypto space, you might know that a lot of people are, switching their overall opinions on Solana. And that is very exciting. As I've said to you guys from the beginning, Solana is solving one of the biggest issues, which is Ethereum scalability. And, we're seeing a lot of developers really dive into the Solana blockchain. And, we're seeing the price of Solana up 43.3% in this month alone, not the month of July. In the last 30 days, it's up 43.5%. And as I've shared with you guys, a lot of people now are starting to really say, what is Solana really capable of pulling something what Ethereum did, of course, in the previous years. As you may know, I've shared the story with you guys before. In 2016, there was a classmate of mine. He had Ethereum at $6 a pop. I kid you guys not. This is 100% story true, absolutely true. He had Ethereum at $6 a pop. I didn't take it really too seriously. I was like, oh, that's pretty cool. But, basically what I was doing at that point was, I was learning. And then as you may know, I've shared on this channel that I bought XRP in 2016. But, we've seen Ethereum go from that $6 a pop all the way to almost 5,000 last bull cycles. That really shows how fast this cryptocurrency market is evolving. But now what people are starting to realize is, hey, you know what? Solana could potentially be the next big player. And, we're seeing a lot of hype factor coming in. How people say, oh, the bull market is not even here. Crypto is not mooning. Look at the last 30 days. Look how green the entire market is looking. These are some things that a lot of people tend to forget. But before we jump into the charts, I wanted to share this with you guys. This is really, really nice to see. And I'm pretty sure a lot of people will underestimate this. Over the last 30 days, worldwide searches, Solana is hitting at all-time high over the last 30 days in terms of searches coming in. A lot of people are searching Solana. A lot of people are interested in scooping some Solana up. And, this is not a surprise to me. And like I've said, the entire shift that I'm speaking about is starting to feel like it's definitely there. Let's take a look at the last 90 days. I want to see that. So, of course, on the last 90 days, back in June last month, we did see a massive upset on June 10th. We know what happened on June 10th. We saw SEC come out and announce that, Solana is a security along with Polygon, Matic, and Cardano, which obviously skyrocketed the number of searches coming in because the price really tanked after that. But we're starting to pick up once again, and the momentum is picking up also. And I wanted to share this with you guys. You guys can see senior researcher analyst has said that Solana, it's primed for a renaissance. There are some great founders that are building in the space, and he's also said that a single shard solution solves many of the problems Ethereum is struggling against, Smith says. Let's just juice the base layer until we can get through put to where it needs to be. And this is what I've been saying literally for the longest time, that what Solana really is painting is huge. And the problem that it's solving, we've been hearing Ethereum 2.0 literally for the longest time. Literally, it's been about almost 3 years since I've been hearing the term Ethereum 2.0, and nothing has still been changed. Absolutely nothing has been changed. And this is why we're seeing some other projects transferring to the Solana blockchain because they see that massive problem that it's solving. And I think in the years to come, this could be one of the massive catalysts in terms of a huge upside, especially for the price as we are going into this upcoming bull run. Some people are calling that we will see Solana hit above $1,000, and honestly speaking, that's what I'm going to discuss with you guys right now. So let's look at the charts, see what really is happening with the charts and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So before we get into the charts, as always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the price of BTC right now, we're seeing a lot of sideways momentum. If you guys watch my other videos, you guys are aware as to what really is happening with BTC. Since the 22nd, we've pretty much been trading sideways since then. And, this is affecting the entire markets, especially if we go look at the last, 7 days time frame. You can see a lot of coins are still down in the last 7 days, and that shows that projects are being affected by this. But what we're seeing with Solana on a continuous basis is that it is outperforming BTC. It's outperforming the entire market. This is giving me a huge indication that we are about to break out of this level of resistance in the upcoming days and actually hit a new yearly high. We have not yet hit a new yearly high since February, and I think it's getting closer and closer. And that would be a move of about 26%, especially after Bitcoin Cash seen a massive explosion within its price. I think a lot of people are starting to say, what? Solana could honestly be next. And we're speaking about Solana right now. You can see this massive recovery that we have seen within its price since June 10th. It's up literally 77.7%, guys. Let that sink in. About 80% gain since that June 10th lows. When SEC came out and made a massive statement for Solana that, hey, Solana is a security, and obviously that did impact the entire market, not just Solana itself. But since then, a recovery of almost 80%, that is beyond bullish to say the least. And right now we are about to enter that massive level where we've been pretty much trading throughout the year. And I could see in the next few hours, because of the momentum that we're seeing, if Bitcoin were to shift even a little bit and start seeing a new yearly high, I could expect that Solana could break out and hit a new yearly high sooner than a lot of people think, because I think accumulation is happening. A lot of people are starting to look at the bigger picture. Bigger whales are entering, in my opinion. And once Solana breaks its all-time high, guys, I'm sorry, not all-time high, its yearly high, it's heading to that $40 price point. And that's where I think FOMO will once again kick in. I'm sure if you guys are familiar with the crypto space, things can move up very, very fast in this space. So, the future of Solana is starting to look mega bullish, in my opinion. This is one of the projects that I will be keeping very, very close eye on, and I think it is going to be one that is going to shock a lot of people. People are going to come out and say, oh, Solana got labeled that as a security, blah blah blah. But remember, they can come, so sure, as a financial terminology, as far as that goes, yes, security, I understand where the SEC is coming from, but this is a brand new tech. There's so much more things involved. It's, a native token of an actual blockchain, and that's what they're not taking into consideration. And of course, the entire world is starting to realize that, there's more than just the US. There's a world outside the United States, and more and more people are understanding that. And I think we will see something crazy happen with Solana, because the momentum, look at it, guys, in literally the top 10 projects, it's the only one that's up 16% over the past 7 days. So something is cooking up, and I am projecting something crazy happening, and a lot of people are going to be shocked. But let me know down below what you guys think, and are you guys enjoying these updates? I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for all the support you guys show me. I will see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.